So over here, if I were to click on the start menu, then this is what pops up. So there are certain applications that actually are pinned over here. But sometimes what happens is that you do not see an application you want. So if you want to pin out your application, you can click on all apps right here. And here you can see that there's different applications that I have. So let's say I want to pin out this application right here onto the main start menu. Then what I can simply do is I can right click and click on pin to start. So once I do that, what happens is that now if I were to click on the start menu, you can see this application right here. Similarly, you can go around and then click on all apps right here, scroll down. So you want to, let's say, pin out this application, then you right click, pin to start. And then if you were to go back, then you will see it right here. You can see that there is another scrolling area right here, as you can see. If you want to remove out any application, you can right click right here and click on unpin to start right here. So that is how you can unpin out application right here, remove it completely from the list as well. So similarly, let's say, for example, I want to unpin Audacity right here, right click and unpin, right click and unpin, right click and unpin. And that is how you can pin and unpin out application in your Windows start menu. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.